Chuck. Chuck edition, homeboy. Chuck. Yeah. Chuck. This that real ass shit, and it's not no fucking talk. If you really got a problem, you can come and see me, huh? This is not a diss song. This is letting your ass know. Man, I'm chilling in the crib. Can you see we got this scope? Red beam on your head. Now you laying on that ground. Try to play the fucking king. Now your ass laying down. When I see you on sight, I'ma have to murk your ass. You and your fucking clique. Man, we some bad ass. Man, they try to lock me up. Try to throw away the key. I'm a real ass nigga, ain't no way that it can be. Try to hold a nigga down, but they know what it's gonna be. When they gonna go click clap out, now your ass you can see 12 shots, now you gone. You hear that hint? It's the king. Ain't no way that I can stop. It's Lil Steve, you know about me. Why you talking all that shit? But you know that you a lame. You a fuckboy ass nigga, and I'm after your ass man. Red beam on your head, now your ass in bed. Now your ass on that ground for trying to play the red. You a pussy ass nigga, you don't belong with no brick. When I catch you on the scene, you a dead ass bitch. Better watch your fucking back. And we ain't playing around when them guns go click. Now your ass on that ground, better watch what you doing and watch your fucking mouth. Keep your eyes fucking open and keep your mouth closed, bitch. Cause we after you. And this is not no threat, dude. This is all promises. Nigga, this is what we do. This is not no message, boy. This is letting you know, boy. When I see you, boy, you's a motherfucking dead boy. 12 shots, now your ass on that river bound. For trying to play the king, now your ass going down. You think I'm playing? Boy, I'm here to show y'all run the town. I got your girl on my dick, she wanna wild it out. BD3, that's what you see. Blood gang nigga, we beast. Ain't no way you stopping me. Talking shit, see me. You a fuck nigga, you don't belong with no grit. Call it pop it on the stage, call it real trill shit, bitch. You ain't about that life, you know you a fuck boy. And I heard about your pussy ass trick, boy. Fuck your main bitch, and you can ask about it. Ain't no way that I can stop, I been up in the trapping, pussy. Put a nigga on 300. Oh, stop this shit right there and let me tell you a little something about me. You did not know that I can rap. I spit these lyrics like P3s. All the hoes, they feeling me. Say they wanna be next to me. All I do is sip that lean and I smoke on that damn loud. Niggas know about the trio fam, ENT. All we know about is getting money, young red low you see. It's your boy Lil Steve, bill of paper chasing in the street. If you ain't with 300, bitch, you must not heard of me. Yeah, that Southwest shit, Little Rock is where I'm from. And if you ain't from where I'm from, then fuck where you from. Whole town in this bitch, and we ain't playing around. BD3 all about this money, Black P Stone, we run the town. Almighty up over here, and you know about the crew. If you ain't talking money, nigga, you ain't talking shit. So your best bet, nigga, is to shut your fucking mouth. For that gun go in your mouth. Click, clap out, your ass is down. Man, your ass ain't about that life. Man, you know that you a bitch. Fuck you, fuck your mama, fuck your clique, and fuck the six. That's the way I'm feeling, dog, and that's the way I'ma always feel. And you can call up your niggas, I bet they ain't doing shit for real. Coming for you, boys. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Just believe it, boys. Mama, I'm coming for you.